Are you looking for ways to earn extra income in 2023? Do you want to be financially prepared for potential challenges ahead? As we finish off this year, economists are hinting at a recession. But don't let that dampen your spirit. Instead, let's turn this challenge into an opportunity. It's time to think about adding a side hustle to your income streams. It's not just about making ends meet, but about paving a more secure financial path for yourself. So gear up and get ready. In today's video, we're counting down the top 6 side hustles that busy people like you need to know. At number 6, we have vending machines. Now you might be surprised, but vending machines can turn into quite the profitable side hustle. Picture this. You're essentially operating a mini convenience store that's open around the clock without hiring any staff. Sounds great, right? Let's look at some success stories. We have Jamie Ibanez, who managed to pull in an impressive $135,000 in revenue last year from just 40 vending machines. Then there's Marcus Graham, who earned over $300,000 from his 18 vending machines. Now, it's important to note that this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. There's a significant initial investment involved in purchasing the machines and stocking them with products, but once they're up and running, they can provide a steady stream of passive income. So, if you've got a bit of startup capital and the patience to wait for your investment to pay off, vending machines could be a solid side hustle for you. Despite the initial investment, vending machines can provide a steady stream of passive income. Coming in at number 5, we have a hustle that we've mentioned before: affiliate marketing. Now, what's affiliate marketing? Well, it's a way for you to earn income by promoting other people's or companies' products. You basically find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale you make. Pretty cool, right? Let's take a look at a success story. Christine Luna, for instance, found her niche in writing blog posts for gift guides for children's toys. She earned an impressive $14,000 a year. Not bad for a side hustle, right? The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its flexibility. You can do this from anywhere, anytime. All you need is a platform where you can promote products, be it a blog, a website, or even your social media accounts. Of course, like all side hustles, it requires effort and time. You need to build a solid audience who trusts your recommendations. But with some dedication, a knack for marketing, and a good understanding of your audience's needs, affiliate marketing can turn into a lucrative side hustle. Remember, the key to success here is to promote products that you genuinely believe in and match your audience's interests. With some dedication and a knack for marketing, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative side hustle. Number 4 on our countdown is owning a laundromat. Laundromats can be an incredible source of passive income. Yes, you heard it right. Passive. Imagine a business that runs itself while you focus on your professional career or other side hustles. One shining example of success in this field is Carlos Ochoa, who makes a whopping $24,000 a month from his laundromat. His business model includes self-service machines and wash and fold services, catering to a wide range of customer needs. Now, it's important to remember that laundromats do come with a high cost of entry, so it's essential to do your research and plan accordingly. But once you're past the initial investment and setup, the business can practically run itself. So if you're looking for a side hustle that potentially offers both profitability and flexibility, a laundromat could be the ticket. Though there's a high cost of entry, a laundromat could be a profitable side business. Halfway through our list at number 3, we have another hustle that was in one of our previous videos because it's still a great method to rake in some extra cash: freelancing. In today's digital age, freelancing has become a go-to side hustle for many. It offers flexibility, control over your workload, and the opportunity to turn your skills and passions into profit. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a software developer, or even a voiceover artist, there's a market out there for your skills. Let's look at some examples of successful freelancers. Take Sarah, a full-time accountant who uses her evenings to freelance as a financial consultant. She's turned her expertise into a lucrative side hustle, helping small businesses navigate their finances. Or consider John, a talented graphic designer who spends his weekends freelancing and has managed to build a solid client base, contributing significantly to his income. Freelancing isn't just about making extra money, though. It's also about the freedom to choose projects that you're passionate about. It's about being your own boss, setting your own hours, and creating a work-life balance that suits you. It's about taking your career into your own hands and steering it in the direction you want. Freelancing can offer a flexible schedule and the chance to work on projects that align with your interests. At number 2, we have content creation. This is a side hustle that truly allows you to turn your passions into profit. In the digital age, platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are not just for scrolling mindlessly. They're stages for your creativity, your personality, your story. And the best part? You can make a substantial income from it. Take, for instance, the story of Emma, a full-time teacher who started sharing her DIY craft projects on YouTube. Today, she has over 2 million subscribers, and her channel generates a significant income that supplements her teaching salary. Then there's Alex, a fitness enthusiast who started posting his workout routines on Instagram. Now he's got a massive following, and he's making money through sponsored posts and partnerships with fitness brands. But remember, while these platforms can be lucrative, they also require dedication and consistency. It's not just about posting a video or a photo, it's about building an engaged community, understanding your audience, and consistently delivering content that they love. If you're creative, if you love sharing your ideas and connecting with people, content creation could be a perfect fit. It's more than just a side hustle. It's a way to share your passion with the world and make an income while you're at it. And lastly, at number 1, we have running an e-commerce store. This side hustle is all about selling products online and can be a lucrative way to generate income. Picture this. You're passionate about handmade jewelry, and you've been crafting unique pieces in your spare time. Why not turn this hobby into a business? Let's take a look at some successful e-commerce entrepreneurs. Jessica Alba, actress turned businesswoman, co-founded The Honest Company, an e-commerce platform offering eco-friendly baby and beauty products. In just a few years, her online store has skyrocketed into a billion-dollar business. Next, we have Jeff Chapin and JT Marino, who co-founded Tuft & Amp Needle, an online mattress company that disrupted the traditional mattress industry. They started with a simple idea: to sell comfortable, affordable mattresses online, and today, they're a household name. Remember, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can sell anything from vintage clothing to home decor, digital products to pet supplies. The key is to find a niche you're passionate about and offer products that your target audience wants. Starting an e-commerce store can be a profitable way to turn a hobby into a business. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 6 side hustles for 2023. We've journeyed through a variety of opportunities, from the passive income of vending machines and laundromats to the flexible world of affiliate marketing, exploring the digital realms of freelancing, content creation, and the entrepreneurial spirit of running an e-commerce store. Remember, the best side hustle for you is one that your skills, interests, and schedule. So, start exploring these options today and secure your financial future. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on more valuable content like this. Your support helps us create more informative videos for you. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.